Greetings. So this is our hack that's called Healthcare Jarvis, and we bring you the phenomenal care close to you. So what is a chatbot? A chatbot is a computer program that stimulates and processes human conversation, either written or spoken, allowing humans to interact with digital devices as if they were communicating with a real person. So what is a chatbot in healthcare? Chatbots are softwares developed with machine learning algorithms, including natural language processing, that's also abbreviated as NLP, to stimulate and engage in a conversation with a user to provide real-time assistance to patients. Chatbots have already gained traction in retail, news media, social media, banking, and customer service. Now it is time to leverage it in healthcare. So what are the benefits of chatbots in healthcare? So less time spent commuting to the doctor's office, less money spent on unnecessary treatments and tests, easy access to the doctor at the push of a button. So our hack is a healthcare domain chatbot to stimulate the predictions of a general physician. This healthcare chatbot system will help hospitals to provide healthcare support online 24/7. It answers deep as well as general questions. It also helps to generate leads and automatically delivers the information of leads to sales. By asking the questions in series, it helps patients by guiding what exactly she is looking for. Finally, it also suggests a doctor who he or she can contact. So the features are, we have a registration screen, sign-in screen, and we also generate database for a user login system. We also offer you a GUI based chatbot for patients for diagnosing them, and we also recommend an appropriate doctor to you for the symptoms. So the tech stack already has been mentioned. So basically this is the workflow. So first of all, you need to come here. I'll just show you. So this is our chatbot. So you need to log in or register. So let's register. We need to click on register, and then we have to click here. Now a set of few questions will be asked, so we need to click here on start. So once we click on start, so symptoms will be asked, and accordingly we have to respond with a yes or a no. So let's I don't have a slurred speech. I am not having pain behind the eyes. So like this I need to respond to the symptoms, and then it will suggest me that what possible disease I might have, and it will also it's also giving us the confidence level. So this is there. So we already saw the workflow. So basically we have implemented it using the decision tree classifier. We have also used Python tkinter for the GUI. As a user, as we saw the workflow, so I will just revise it. So as a user you need to log in or register. So if you do not, you need to log in here and fill the credentials, and then click on start, and then answer accordingly, and then all these things will be displayed. So using a pragmatic approach for diagnosis, you have to accordingly answer to the questions that were asked, and the bot will predict the disease that you could have based on the training data set. It will also suggest the confidence level, as you can see here. So basically from this the confidence level will be suggested as a probability, so that you can get the idea to what extent you potentially could have the disease. And then we also suggest the doctor. So that was it from our side. Thank you.